In the world of fitness, the mind-body connection plays a transformative role, offering a holistic approach that enhances overall well-being. Imagine each workout as an opportunity, not just for physical exertion, but for deepening the relationship between your mind and body. As you lace up your shoes and step onto the gym floor, envision this journey as a melding of thoughts and movements, where awareness fuels your performance and forms a path to personal growth. Begin with mindful breathing, the anchor of your mind-body practice. As you inhale, feel the expansion of your lungs, the surge of vitality filling your veins. Exhale, releasing tension and negativity that may have settled within. This simple act of controlled breathing grounds you, sharpening your focus and empowering your workouts. Every deep breath acts as a reminder that fitness transcends mere physicality. It is a dialogue between what you think, how you feel, and what your body can achieve. Engaging in exercises like yoga or Tai Chi can significantly deepen this connection. Picture yourself moving through a series of slow, deliberate poses. The transition becomes a dance of strength and grace. Each stretch and pose cultivates awareness, challenging your limits while fostering relaxation. As you flow through your routine, visualize energy moving through your limbs, each posture unlocking a doorway to self-discovery, resilience, and emotional balance. This integration allows your fitness routine to be not just about building muscle, but about cultivating inner peace and clarity. As you progress in your fitness journey, embrace the moments of introspection that emerge. The act of pushing your body ignites mental resilience. With every drop of sweat, a wave of realization washes over you. You are strong, capable, and more than your doubts. Celebrate each achievement, whether it's lifting heavier weights or holding a tough pose longer. This acknowledgement reinforces the connection between body and mind, reminding you that every success, no matter how small, contributes to your well-being. In the end, the mind-body connection in fitness offers a beautiful exploration of self. When you engage with intention, each workout transforms into a practice of mindfulness, blending physical health with emotional clarity. So take the leap, nurture this connection, and let fitness be your pathway to harnessing the extraordinary potential that lies within. In today's fast-paced world, achieving balance between physical and mental fitness is more crucial than ever. Imagine waking each day with a body that feels strong and energized, while your mind remains clear and focused. This harmony not only fosters a sense of well-being, but also enhances overall performance in daily activities, work, and relationships. To maintain this balance, one must understand how physical activity and mental health are interconnected, like two sides of the same coin, both contributing to a fulfilling life. The journey towards balanced fitness begins with physical activity. Regular exercise not only strengthens the body, but also plays a pivotal role in mental health. Visualize yourself jogging in a beautiful park, the sun shining down while your heart beats steadily. As you run, your body releases endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which elevate your mood. This physical engagement serves as a powerful stress reliever, allowing you to push away the mental clutter and anxiety that often accumulate over time. However, physical fitness alone isn't enough. Just as you nurture your body, nurturing your mind is equally important. Consider incorporating mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or yoga, into your routine. Picture yourself in a serene space, sitting peacefully, focusing on your breath and letting your worries drift away like leaves on a gentle stream. These practices enhance mental clarity and emotional resilience, creating an environment where both your body and mind can thrive together. By striking this balance, you equip yourself to handle the challenges life throws your way, from managing stress at work to tackling personal obstacles. The final piece of the puzzle is fostering a lifestyle that prioritizes balance holistically. Embrace nutritious foods that nourish both body and mind. Picture yourself cooking colorful meals rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, feeling energized after each healthy bite. Additionally, ensure you allocate time each week for both physical activity and mental rejuvenation, seamlessly weaving them into the fabric of your daily life. When you cultivate this sense of equilibrium, you create a foundation for long-lasting health and fulfillment. Ultimately, the importance of balance in physical and mental fitness cannot be overstated. As you embark on this journey, visualize a life where physical strength fuels your mental agility, and mental clarity enhances your physical performance. Embrace the duality of fitness and strive for harmony, for in that balance lies the key to a vibrant, healthy life.